Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, here's a tutorial on how to use Python 2.7 instead of Python 3 in your development environment. Please note that Python 2.7 reached its end-of-life status on January 1, 2020. It's highly recommended to use Python 3 for any new development due to its continued support and improvements. Ensure that Python 2.7 is installed on your system. You can check the Python version using the following command in your terminal or command prompt. If Python 2.7 is installed, it should display something like Python 2.7.x. If you don't have Python 2.7 installed, you can download it from the Python website's Legacy Releases section, https://www.python.org/download/release/python-279. When executing Python code, you'll use the Python command in the terminal or command prompt. To ensure you're using Python 2.7 specifically, use Python 2.7 instead of just Python. Replace your _script.py with the name of your Python 2.7 script file. Using virtual environments is a good practice to manage dependencies. With Python 2.7, you can use virtualenv to create isolated Python environments. First, install virtualenv if you haven't already. Then, create a virtual environment for Python 2.7. Replace myenv with the name you want for your virtual environment. To activate the virtual environment. On Windows. On Mac OS and Linux. Be aware that Python 2.7 syntax differs in some aspects from Python 3.x. Some notable differences include print statements, Unicode handling, and division. For example, in Python 2.7, ensure your code is compatible with Python 2.7 syntax. Tools like 2to3 can help automate some of the conversion from Python 2 to Python 3, though manual adjustments may still be necessary. Keep in mind that some libraries and packages might not be compatible with Python 2.7 or may have limited support since Python 2.7 is no longer actively maintained. Be cautious when using third-party modules and check their compatibility with Python 2.7. Remember, while Python 2.7 was once widely used, migrating to Python 3 is strongly recommended due to its continued support, improvements, and compatibility with modern software development practices. Always consider the implications of using an outdated version, especially regarding security vulnerabilities and lack of updates. This tutorial should help you work with Python 2.7 in your development environment. However, transitioning to Python 3 is advisable for any new projects or developments. ChatGPT.